I don't know. It's something.
There's a gap here between these two. Yeah,
So
but
let's.
this one here, like this. No.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
like this. You just put the tip of this finger in here, and there's a gap.
Yeah.
You do this and keep it like this, and you have to impact this one in this gap, and this is what
Okay.
creates
So
that
it's
sound.
this.
Just the impact of this
In
finger in between these gaps for these two.
So,
Yeah.
Oh
You
wow.
have to, yeah.
And then so it's like
Yeah,
you're coming down.
this one here, and you have to do this for.
Wow.
Here. But you have to keep that gap here to. The point is for you, it is something like this. So the air goes out from this
Yeah.
side.
So
You have to
somehow I
keep
have
it
to-
like here. Then no, there is no exit for the air that.
Except.
Peter, no
Yeah.
worries. I cannot do it at all.
Yeah, but it gets better and better with practice.
Okay.
So
Wow.
you just have to put in mind, you keep in mind that you have to
You have
put
to-
these
okay.
two fingers. You have to put the tip of this finger. You're in this middle finger on this first part.
Oh,
Nice.
great job, man.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is get out.
I think I see the mechanics.
Yeah, that's the point.
Theory.
You just
Oh, man.
shouldn't, keep it that way, because this way
Yeah.
there's no trapping the air. You have to keep it like this, and then this goes.
Nekem kellemes már nem igaz.
Because then that bucket of air goes from this side, from the very small exit. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Okay.
it is kind of working. Yeah. But
Yeah, that's
it needs some more practice, I think.
It needs practice.
Yeah.
It needs practice.
Yeah, and it's practice. At first, when we begin to learn it, this is the sound you can hear.
Okay.
But practicing more and more is something like this. If I wanted to,
We
there
have
is-
you can get it
other
much-
kinds
You
of.
are so good.
Other
I
kinds-
never can
You
do
have
that.
other kinds of this.
yeah, but if
I
Yeah.
already that one.
Yeah. So you know the mechanics already.
But this one's different. Like there's no pocket of air.
Yeah, this is, I think,
It's just
this is here. The pocket of air is produced like here is between this finger and the palm of your hand. So
really. Oh.
yeah,
This is another one.
Yeah.
Which one? Which one? Which one?
if you
Yeah, you kind of have to.
if I keep it like this, there's
That's
no
funny.
sound.
I never
But-
thought about.
Yeah, this
I never
that's
thought about
exactly
that
it.
one.
Yeah, I realized it when I want to explain it to you. I didn't think about it before. So
Because when I was doing this, like I always thought it was about.
if you keep your finger like this, you can't
won't-
produce that sound.
You're right.
Yeah, that's
There's
it.
nothing.
And you know, I can do it with my just left hand, not right hand.
Yeah, if I want to do it vice versa, with like this, I can,
We can, yeah.
because I have practiced that way. But with this hand, I can. But the other way, I cannot. So it's just a matter of practice.
Interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.